Welcome, Mr. Burke. So happy to have you in our kitchen. We got a couple things for you. Bow your head. Oh, all right, okay. There you go.
Hey, you got the right school on here.
And we got you a snazzy little chef hat too.
Thank you.
There we go.
We're at Eagles Landing Middle School today, which we affectionately refer to as the Nest, and I'm cooking with our Culinary Academy here.
What we are doing today, we are making pierogies.
All right.
The reason I chose what we're making today is because every recipe used is my grandma's recipe. And this time of year, she would make them from scratch.
The recipes we're using are all his grandmother's. And he's really kind of honoring that family tradition. And the kids see the value in those family recipes as well.
Good. You want to make sure it's also wide enough. We're good.
Going right through the whole process. Developing the pasta, making the pasta, filling it with sweet cheese or sauerkraut, and then frying it up and serving it. And soon we'll be doing the dishes.
The culinary program starts off grade 6, hospitality and tourism. By 7th grade, we get the real nuts and bolts of cooking going. Come 8th grade, they can look at the labs they did the year before and say, I think we can do it better this time.
Beyond cooking, these kids are learning how to work as a team, how to communicate with each other. They're developing skills that could lead to a position in the service industry if they want to stick with this. And they're also learning project management skills.
I want to learn how to cook so that I can cook for my family when they're not able to cook anymore.
At the end of the day, I can't teach students how to care, but I hope that I can at least show them that I care and that it comes out in the way I interact with them, the way that I prepare food, and no matter what they decide to do for the rest of their life, doing what they love, doing what they care about most, that's really gonna come through.
Chef Lauder could be cooking anywhere in Palm Beach County, but he's cooking right here at Eagles Landing. He's a very valuable member of Team Palm Beach.
Take a bite.
Bon appetit.